Imagine this. You make money every month, but at the end of it, nothing is left. You work hard, you stay busy, yet you feel trapped. Why is it that some people keep getting richer while others stay stuck no matter how much they earn? The truth is shocking. It's not always about how much money you make, but about the financial mistakes you're making without even realizing it. And today, I'm going to expose the biggest ones that silently keep millions of people broke. Stay with me until the end because the last mistake is the most dangerous, and chances are you're making it right now. Welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who wants to break free from financial stress and actually build real wealth, this video might be the wake-up call you've been waiting for. Because the reality is, most people aren't broke because of bad luck. They're broke because of patterns, habits, and blind spots. And once you see them, you can change them. So let's dive straight into the 7 biggest financial mistakes that keep people from ever getting rich. Mistake 1, thinking income equals sign, wealth. So many people confuse a big paycheck with being wealthy. They believe that as long as they earn more, they are automatically moving toward financial freedom. But here's the trap. If your lifestyle inflates as fast as your income does, you're not building wealth, you're just upgrading your expenses. Think about it. The person who earns $10,000 a month but spends $9,900 is in the same boat as the person earning $2,000 and spending $1,990. The number in your paycheck doesn't matter. What matters is how much you keep, save, and invest. Mistake 2, ignoring the power of compounding. Here's a scary fact. Most people underestimate time. They wait until their 30s or 40s to start saving and investing, thinking they'll have enough time to catch up. But compounding doesn't reward late starters. For example, if you invest $300 a month starting at age 20, by the time you're 60, you could have over $1 million. If you wait until 35 to start, you'll end up with less than half that, even if you invest more. Time is money's secret weapon, but most people waste it. Mistake 3, living for appearances. Social media has made this worse than ever. People feel pressured to show success rather than build it. The new car, the designer clothes, the expensive vacations, all to impress people who honestly don't care. The truth? Every dollar you spend trying to look rich is a dollar that could have actually made you rich. Think of the quiet millionaire who drives a modest car and wears simple clothes, but owns assets, businesses, and investments that give them true freedom. Don't trade real wealth for fake status. Mistake 4, not tracking your money. Let me ask you this. Do you know exactly where your last $100 went? If you don't, you're like most people, spending blindly. And blind spending is dangerous. The truth is, what gets measured gets managed. The simple act of tracking your money, writing down every expense, using budgeting apps, or even just reviewing your statements weekly can change everything. You'll notice leaks, bad habits, and areas where you're sabotaging yourself. Wealthy people know where every cent goes. Broke people hope for the best. Mistake 5, relying only on one source of income. This one's huge. Most people depend 100% on their job. One paycheck, one boss, one income stream. And when that paycheck stops, so does their life. But wealthy people play a different game. They build multiple streams of income, investments, side businesses, rental properties, dividends, digital products. Why? Because one stream might dry up, but 5 streams keep flowing. If your job is your only source of money, you're one decision away from financial disaster. Mistake 6, avoiding financial education. School taught us math, history, and science, but not money. And most people stop learning once they graduate. They don't read about investing, they don't study personal finance, and they don't seek mentors. But here's the truth. Money rewards those who understand it. It punishes those who don't. Wealthy people never stop learning. They read books, attend seminars, listen to podcasts, and constantly grow their financial IQ. If you're not learning about money, you're paying the price without even realizing it. Mistake #7, trading time for money forever. This is the silent killer. Most people spend their entire lives trading hours for dollars. And while there's nothing wrong with working a job, if you never build something that earns while you sleep, you'll always be stuck. Passive income, through investments, businesses, or digital assets, is the only way to escape the time trap. Because time is the one thing you can never get back. Money is unlimited, but time isn't. Stop selling all of yours. Now, here's the big question. Which of these mistakes are you making right now? Be honest with yourself. Because awareness is the first step to change. The truth is, financial freedom isn't reserved for the lucky or the gifted. It's reserved for those who play the game differently. Those who break free from these traps. So if you're serious about building wealth, don't just watch this video and move on. Take action. Start tracking your money. Start investing early. Build multiple streams. Educate yourself. And most importantly, stop living to impress and start living to build. If you found this valuable, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and check out the full playlist where I go even deeper into money strategies that can change your life. And remember this, you're only one decision away from a completely different financial future. Don't click away yet, because in the next video, I'm going to reveal 5 powerful ways to build income streams that make money while you sleep. Trust me, you don't want to miss that.